in Ohio, and I'm at Horns Hill. This is my 2021 Intense Tazer MX Pro. This is my fourth ride back on my brand new right hip, bionic hip. I got installed, I guess today, it'd be 8 weeks ago. Got the okay to start riding again, and bicycle riding is part of my therapy, so pretty cool when the doctor tells you got to go ride. Anyhow, this bike, some of the cool stuff. Love the Ohlins suspension. Not so bueno about the limited turning radius. I have actually fallen over a couple times at slow speed because you just run out of lock. But man, the forks feel so good. Ramp up chamber. You can put the top up super plush. I love the Ohlins spring shock. That stuff's great. Ergos, this is an extra large, so it's 505 reach. I like that. Bottom bracket's relatively low. Rear chain stays 450, I think. So, not so bad, but I love the mullet. And it's got some beefier tires on it. Very moto-y feeling. I love these Magura brakes. They work really great. Negatives, I guess. The Shimano motor. I've got a Bosch, a Brose, and a Shimano motor. Shimano's probably my least favorite. I think I don't think it's as efficient. I think it uses a battery more, and it's got the famous Shimano rattle to it. It's not a deal breaker for me. I'm kind of used to it by now, and no big deal. But it's there, and this has only got a 504 watt-hour battery, but that's not a big deal for me. I don't ride that far, and you could always take a spare. But it'll go 20, 25 miles, even like today. I mean, it'll easily go 25 miles, but we don't have super big hills here in Ohio. But handling-wise, I love the way these tasers feel and the way they work. That's probably, once I rode one, I knew I wanted to get one. I'm a moto guy, and this thing feels like a moto bike to me. This is my e-mountain bike that makes me feel like I'm on one of my motocross bikes. And the Ohlins suspension's really good. This fork is just so supple. It's great in some of the rocky, chunkier stuff. Like I said, the geometry of this thing just feels really good. Confidence. It's a full carbon bike. I think the XL weighs about 51 pounds, but it feels light in motion. Hey guys. Yeah, this is a fun bike. This is my e-bike. Feels like I'm riding my dirt bike. Intense Tazer MX Pro. Ohlins, that is the best fork. That's my favorite fork. I love the Geo. Shimano motor's my least favorite motor, but it's fine, it works. And I think the bike looks kind of cool. Moto. Horns Hill, Intense Tazer MX Pro, 2 thumbs up.